Rohan, you look a bit worried. What happened?
Mira, I've got a problem. A big one.
Oh no. Tell me, what is it?
I went outside and forgot my house key.
You forgot your key? That's not good!
Yeah, I closed the door. And now the key is inside.
Oh, you locked yourself out.
Exactly, and it gets even worse.
Worse. What do you mean?
My phone is also inside.
Oh no. So, no key and no phone.
Yep. I can't open the door. And I can't call anyone.
What about your roommate?
He'll be back tonight. Really late?
So, you can't go in until tonight.
That's right. What should I do now?
Well, you've got one free day now.
3 day, I feel anxious. No phone, no key.
Don't worry. Maybe this is actually a good thing.
A good thing? Seriously?
Yes. Try one day without your phone.
1 day without a phone. That sounds scary.
It can be fun. We can go out and enjoy the day.
Go out? Where do you want to go?
Let's start with the library.
The library, okay. But how do we get there?
We can take the bus.
The bus. I usually book an U-Boat on my phone.
Not today.
Today, we travel the old-fashioned way, by bus.
All right, let's try.
No phone, no key, just the bus. Here we are. This is the bus stop for the library.
The bus stop for the library. Got it.
Yes. We'll wait here for the bus. Okay, we wait. Look, the bus is coming now.
Oh, good. I was getting nervous.
Nervous? Why?
Without my phone, I don't even know the time.
True. No phone means no clock.
Right, I usually check the bus time on my phone.
Well, today you'll learn another way.
Another way?
Yes, just look at the bus stop sign.
Oh, I see. Look at the bus stop sign.
Exactly. Now, let's get on the bus.
All right, let's go.
Say, 1 ticket to the library, please.
1 ticket to the library, please.
Perfect. Now take the ticket.
Got it. 1 ticket to the library.
Good. Where should we sit?
Here or near the window? I like the window seat.
Okay, let's sit near the window. Great. Let's sit down. All right. Wow, you look a bit uneasy. What's wrong?
It just feels strange.
Strange. Why?
Because everyone around is staring at their phones, and I don't even have mine.
True. Most people can't take their eyes off their screens.
Yeah, it makes me a little nervous. What should I do now?
Just look outside.
Look outside?
Yes. See the trees, the buildings, everything passing by.
Oh, wow, nice view.
Better than a small phone screen, right?
Definitely. Much better than a screen. You're right, without a phone, I can actually see the world.
Exactly. See the world. I like how that sounds.
And I can actually talk to you instead of my phone.
That's the spirit. Remember, we get off at the library stop.
Library stop, right? Don't let me miss it, okay?
Don't worry, I'll remind you.
Thanks. You know, without my phone, I feel kind of lost, but also free.
Lost and free. That's an interesting mix.
Yeah, it's new for me, but maybe it's good.
You're learning something today. A spoken English course, life lesson.
1 day without a phone. It's not so bad after all.
And here we are, the library.
Wow, it's huge. and so quiet.
Yes, it's a peaceful place for reading and studying.
Reading and studying, no noise at all.
Exactly. People come here to focus.
Focus, you mean pay attention.
That's right, to pay attention and learn.
Okay, I'll try to focus too.
Good. Let's go inside.
All right, inside. The library.
Look, so many books on the shelves.
There are so many. I don't even know where to start.
Let's find something about cooking.
Cooking in the library.
Yes, there are books about everything here.
Everything? You mean even cooking?
Yes, cooking, travel, history, everything you can think of.
Wow, not just novels. That's new for me.
Here, let me take one down. A book about cooking.
Okay, one cooking book coming up.
Let's sit here by the window.
Nice table. And the sunlight feels warm.
Yes, it's comfortable.
Comfortable. You mean good and easy, right?
Exactly. Good and easy.
All right. I really like this comfortable spot.
Now, look at this page. It explains a recipe.
Recipe. That's like a plan for food, right?
Exactly. A plan for food. A recipe.
Okay, I want to read this recipe slowly.
Take your time.
You know, Mira, this feels nice. I can actually read without using my phone.
See? Books can give you complete information.
Complete information, not just tiny bits. Like on a phone, right?
Right. Not small pieces. Full and clear.
I feel calm. Very calm.
Yes, the library has that effect.
It makes you peaceful.
I'm really starting to enjoy reading now.
That's great, Rohan. You see the difference?
Yes, totally. No phone, just books.
Exactly. No phone. Just books.
We've been reading a lot, though. My eyes are getting a bit tired.
Then let's rest them for a while.
Rest our eyes. You mean stop reading?
Exactly. Let's go outside for a bit.
Outside? Where do you want to go?
How about the beach? We can look far out at the sea.
The sea? That actually sounds amazing.
Yes, the sea will help you relax.
Okay then, let's go to the beach.
Here we are! Rohan, this is the beach.
Wow, the sea looks huge.
Yes, wide and open.
Wide and open, I like that.
Look at the waves. They never stop. The waves never stop. Always moving. Right. The sea is alive.
Alive, you mean it never sleeps.
Exactly. It never sleeps.
It feels so new to me. I usually just see the sea in pictures on my phone.
And now you're seeing it with your own eyes, not through a screen.
Yes, with my eyes, not a screen.
Come on, let's sit here on the sand.
Okay, the sand feels soft.
Soft and warm.
Yes, soft and warm.
Take off your shoes. Feel it properly.
All right. Wow, this feels so good.
See? No phone, no rush, just the sea. The sand and a peaceful mind.
A real lesson from spoken English course. Life feels better when you look up from your screen. No phone, just the sea and the sand.
Look at those people. They're taking photos.
Yeah, so many photos with their phones.
But we don't need that.
We don't. Why not?
Because we remember with our hearts.
Remember with our hearts, not with photos.
Exactly. A real memory is always better than a picture.
Maybe you're right.
Look, the sun is going down now.
Wow, the colors are beautiful.
Yes, orange and pink in the sky.
Orange and pink. I love it.
Listen to the waves. It's so calm.
Very calm.
Do you feel relaxed now?
Yes, completely relaxed.
See? You don't even miss your phone anymore.
You're right. I don't miss it at all.
That's great. One day without a phone, totally possible.
Possible and peaceful.
Peaceful. That's the perfect word.
I feel free.
Really free?
Yes, free and happy.
Me too. Let's just enjoy this moment.
Yes, let's enjoy this moment.
The sun's almost gone now. Rohan.
Yeah, the sky is all orange. It's evening already.
Do you want to do something else?
Something else? Like what?
Let's go to the cinema.
The cinema. A big screen movie.
Yes, a big screen, not a small phone.
That's different. And it sounds exciting.
Great. Let's go watch a movie then.
Okay, let's do it to the cinema.
Here we are, Rohan. This is the cinema.
Wow, it looks huge. And full of lights inside.
Yes. This area here is called the lobby.
Lobby? You mean like the entrance hall?
Exactly. It's the place before the theater.
Oh, look at all those movie posters on the walls.
Yes, the posters show which movies are playing.
So cool. It's been a whole day without my phone, and I didn't even realize it.
See? That's your real spoken English course lesson for today. Live the moment, not the screen.
Playing you mean showing now or soon.
Right. Showing now. Or very soon.
And you already got the tickets.
Yes, 2 tickets. We're all set to go.
Perfect, let's go inside and find out.
Wow, it's already dark in here, even before the movie starts.
Yeah, it's always dark, that's how the big screen looks best.
There are so many seats.
Ours are in row -1 right in the.
Row 6. In the middle. Sounds good.
Sit here, we'll get a perfect view of the screen.
Good view? You mean a clear picture?
Exactly. Very clear from this spot.
Wow! The screen looks huge.
Way bigger than a phone or even a TV.
I know. I actually feel small under this giant screen.
Look, Mira, it's starting now.
Oh, the sound? It's so loud and powerful.
Yeah, it feels like we're inside the story.
Loud and strong. Not like your little phone, right?
Exactly. A phone is too small and weak.
And look, the picture's so bright. You can see every detail.
Yes, it's super clear.
This is exciting.
I really enjoy it, more than watching on my phone.
See? The cinema is a special experience.
Yes, special and amazing. I love it.
Let's just sit back and enjoy the story.
Yes, let's enjoy it together.
The movie's over. Did you enjoy it, Rohan?
I did, a lot. The big screen was incredible.
I'm so glad you liked it.
Now that we're walking home, the city looks different at night.
Yes, The streetlights make everything soft and warm.
And the tall buildings, full of lights, the city feels alive.
Even at night, it's like it never sleeps.
And walking without my phone feels calm.
Right, you see more when your hands are free.
I definitely saw more today, and I thought more too.
Thought more. Like what?
Like how peaceful life can be when you look up from your screen. That's the real spoken English course lesson for today. Like, life can actually be full without a phone.
That's a very good thought.
You know, I was nervous this morning, but now I feel calm.
So, your whole day changed, step by step.
Yes, the library, the beach, the cinema, all without a phone.
And you did great. One full day without it.
Yeah, and I feel proud of myself.
You should be proud. You learned a lot today.
Learned a lot. You mean, like English.
Exactly. You practiced English in real situations. On the bus, in the library, at the beach, and in the cinema.
For places, for experiences, and I kept repeating new words again and again.
Right. Repeating makes your words stronger.
I feel more confident now.
Good. Confidence is the best thing you got from today.
Less phone, more learning. I like that.
And that's the message from Spoken English course. Learn, live, and speak with confidence.